But the worst thing this Dvorkin-led totalitarian sect has sown is the inability of Alatra volunteers to operate within Russia. By his order, he set the FSB agents on our former volunteers, who broke into their homes with pious words about the respected Professor Alexander Dvorkin, their favorite guru. And now, instead of Alatra scientists studying the climate in this region, instead of having the opportunity to do something with the protection of this country and for the whole world from the breakthrough of the Siberian plume,
the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is in fact the largest dump on the planet, growing rapidly since the 1950s. This oceanic dump stretches from the west coast of North America to Japan. Its area varies, but is estimated to be around 1.6 million square kilometers or 580,000 square miles. The garbage patch contains at least 80,000 tons of waste. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Approximately 70% of plastic sinks to the ocean floor, where a significant...
And now, let me pose a question for you to ponder. What happens in the atmosphere after the disruption of the water cycle? Answer me, please. For those unaware, let me explain. Once the atmospheric water cycle is disrupted, the next inevitable stage is the breakdown of the gas exchange process, which will lead to the gradual depletion of oxygen. This is what happens when the biosphere stops producing oxygen and instead begins generating CO2. Trees are already emitting more carbon dioxide and...
You call us alarmists. But going back to the analogy of the doctor, we're only voicing the facts, diagnosis, and method of treatment. And trust me, it's not easy for us either. Our reality is that when we wake up every morning, the first thing we do is not go to drink coffee or view unread messages. But first of all, we look through the apps that track earthquakes and natural disasters in the world. Our reality is that we fall asleep wondering if there will be a tomorrow.
The ocean is a single interconnected organism that encompasses all of our planet's water resources. But as it turns out, this incredibly complex living system is very ill. And the reason for this is our careless handling of the plastic after its use. Plastic is a remarkably durable and convenient material, yet plastic pollution is a poison to the ocean. Charles Moore was the first to recognize that the true scale of this catastrophe. Each day, our ocean is becoming more polluted, and we're inching closer to the point where this